Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on percentage to a decimal. Following on from the last lesson, this video will show how to convert a percentage to a decimal. The following rule is the one to follow. To convert a percentage to a decimal, move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Examples: convert each of the following percentages to a decimal. So let's look at what happens. The first one is 27%. Now we saw earlier that when you have a whole number, for example like 27, the decimal point is here. You can't see it, but it is to the right. So the rule says move the decimal point 2 places to the left, because that's a percentage. So you go 1, 2, so the decimal point ends up 1, 2, the decimal point ends up here, and we always put a 0 at the front for neatness, so that's why the answer is 0.27. 98%, you move it 2 places to the left to get that answer, 0.98. 3%, so with 3, okay, the decimal point is here, as we said earlier, because 3 is a whole number. Now, in order to move the decimal point 2 places to the left, we have to insert a 0. So it's 1, 2. And that's why the decimal point is here in the answer. And you put a 0 for neatness, so that's why it's 0.03. 40%, you move it from here 2 places, and that's the answer, 0.4. And 2%, exactly the same. You move it 1, 2. So there's the decimal point initially, 1, 2. So you always, in that particular case, when you have a single digit as a percentage, you insert a 0, and that enables you to move the decimal point the 2 places to the left. 43.7% becomes 0.437. 60.7%, that's the answer. 3.4%, notice how we insert the 0 to end up with that answer. Similar here, 0.8%. We have to insert 2 zeros because the decimal point is there. So you go 1, 2, and that's why we insert 2 zeros to give us that answer. 41.76% becomes there. This one's straightforward. That's the answer for that one. That one's also straightforward. So the answer is there. And this one is also straightforward. You move the decimal point 2 places to the left to end up with that answer. So this video has given us a lesson, and we've seen how to convert a percentage to a decimal, and the rule is just move the decimal point 2 places to the left.